Hello everyone. Most important question of matrix class 12. Let us see the question. Question is what? If a matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So you know order of matrix is what? Row into column. So trick is what? Number is 8. You make that type of the two number whose product give 8. So number of possible order will be what? 1 into 8, 8 into 1, 2 into 4 and 4 into 2. So these are our correct answer. Possible order will be 1 into 8, 8 into 1, 2 into 4, 4 into 2. Where first is what? Number of row and second is what? Number of column. This is our correct answer. Let's see the question. Question is what? Identity matrix of order n is given by. So identity matrix is what? Any matrix whose diagonal element is what? Unity is called identity matrix. So identity matrix of order n is denoted by what? So correct answer is what? In. Any identity matrix is denoted by In, right? Where n is the order of identity matrix. Let us see the question. Question is what? What is a square matrix? So any matrix is called a square matrix whose number or in which number of rows equal to what? Number of column. So right answer is what? Any matrix in which number of rows equal to what? Number of column. That is m equal to n, where m is number of rows and n is what? Number of column. Let us see the question. Question is what? The number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. That means we have to find number of all possible matrices. When order of matrix is given 3 by 3 and each entry should be what? Either 0 or 1 only. So for this type of question, simple trick is what? Total member of element will be what? Product of order. 3 3 are 9. And how many entry? 0 or 1. Only two number we can use. So our correct answer will be 2 to the power m into n. That is 3 into 3, 9. So 2 to the power n, and when you multiply 2 power n, you will get what? 512. Both are correct answer, either 2 power 9 or 512, our right answer. Let us see the question. Question is what? If matrix A is given, write first part A13. Second part A12, that is element first row, third column, element first row, second column. And third is what? What is order? Order of this matrix. So simple trick is what? Just like we are finding answer first, we have to know A13. A13 means what? Element of matrix whose position first row, third column. So first row is this and third column is this. So first row, third column means what? 7. So our right answer is what? 7. In the same way, second part, A12 means what? Element whose position first row, second column. So this is the first row and this is second column. So our element of this matrix will be what? 4. Now the third part is what? Order of this matrix. So you know order is what? M by n. That is row by column. So number of row into number of column. So number of row is what? 3. And column is what? 3. 1, 2, 3 row and 1, 2, 3 column. So order will be what? 3 by 3. This is our right answer. Question is what? Two matrices A, Aij and B, Bij are said to be equal if. What is the condition for two matrices to be the equal? Then correct answer is what? Their order should be same and corresponding element will be same. So suppose this is matrix A, B, C, D and other matrix that is P, Q, R, S. So two matrices are suppose equal. So see, row into column, order is what? 2 by 2. Here order is what? 2 by 2. So both matrices have same order. Corresponding element means what? That is A should be P and B should be Q, C should be R and D should be S. If this condition satisfied, both matrices are equal. Let us see the question. Question is what? Define diagonal matrix. So any square matrix whose non-diagonal element is what? 0 is called diagonal matrix. So a square matrix you know well, same number of rows, same number of columns. So suppose any matrix A is what? A square matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. So here what? A11 first row, first column, A22 second. These are called diagonal element. And A12, A21 non-diagonal element. So any square matrix whose non-diagonal element is 0 and diagonal element may be any number, then it is called what? Diagonal matrix. So this is your answer 2, 0, and suppose here what? That is 0 and here 5. So this is the diagonal element may be equal, may be different, any number except 0, non-zero. So diagonal element is non-zero and non-diagonal element is 0. That is called what? Diagonal matrix. Let's see the question. So question is what? Every diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix is what? Right? So skew symmetric matrix, every diagonal element will be what? So you know diagonal element means what? That is the same position of the element having same number of row and same number of column. That is A11 first row, first column, A22 second row, second row. These are called diagonal element. So every diagonal element of a skew matrix is what? Always 0. So our correct answer is what? 0. 0 is our right answer. So every diagonal element of a skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Let us see the question. Question is what? If matrix A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, find A plus A dash. So A dash is what? Transpose of matrix. So A plus A dash we have to find. So transpose of matrix is what? Just change the number of rows into the column or column into the row. So we have to find A plus transpose of A. A dash means what? Transpose of matrix A. So A matrix is already given 1, 5, 6, 7. Right? And now we have to find transpose of matrix A. So transpose is what? Change the row into column. First row convert in first column. So you will get what? 1, 5. Second row convert in second column. You will get what? 6, 7. Now add this two matrix of the same order we can add very easily. So 1 and 1, 2. 6 and 5, 11. 6 and 5, 11. 7, 7, 14. So our correct answer is first row 2, 11, second row 11 and 14. This is our right answer.